This is the next step forward in ballistic protection. This is protection without compromise. I'm Daniel Ham, CEO of Lehr. We're at the range today putting our new ballistic glass to the test. If we're asking officers and first responders to trust us with their lives, we need to show them exactly how it performs. The windshield is the one place you can't compromise. It's your line of sight, your awareness, your reaction time. If that's off, everything's off.
At Lehr, we've built out a process that is repeatable and controlled on a national scale. From prep to installation, every step is intentional, so the end result performs the way it was supposed to at every location. This is just not a standard installation. Our team has gone through specialized training to make sure every install meets the performance expectations. Nothing leaves the shop unless it's up to Lehr standards, period.
Officers were being asked to operate in high-risk situations without the level of protection and visibility that they actually need. Historically, you could solve for protection, but then you'd introduce distortion, impaired visibility, added weight, and a different driving experience to the vehicles and so on. That's not a real solution. So when we found ballistic glass that provided the highest quality protection without any of those sacrifices, that's when Lehr was ready to enter the market. Ultimately, this is about giving agencies the highest level of protection without asking officers to change how they do their job. The ballistic glass has to work when it needs to, and the rest of the time, it should just disappear into the vehicle. When going home comes down to that piece of glass, it has to perform every time. That's the Lehr standard.